Alrighty guys, wanted to give you guys a quick little update. I have the E46 pretty much almost ready to get winched onto the trailer because this one's actually going to the paint booth again. The engine base painted, but the outside still needs to get painted. It's space white. So I actually now also have the parts car here. Let's see, this one's the one I picked up from auction that's kind of beat up. But this is the one I'm using the transmission out of and the interior out of. So, I'm actually parking this one inside the garage so I can start pulling the interior out of this one. And transmission and engine, and then the other one's going to be at the paint booth getting prepped for paint. So let's see. Oh wow. This thing's missing bad. I don't know what's going on, but we made it into the garage. AC's cold. AC's cold. Dang. Radio?
In the United States.
Radio works. Windows work. If the body wasn't so beat up on this one, I would actually use this one for the swap. But since the body is actually in really, really bad shape, especially here, here you have a big dent. This whole bumper shifted. The whole trunk isn't in line anymore. And then here, this is all crinkled in. And then it's got a couple like rust bubbles in here and whatnot. Yeah, if this body wasn't in such bad shape, honestly, I think it's probably just this trunk that's missing line. Yeah, if this wasn't in such bad shape, I'd probably use this one, but alright, so BMW's in the garage. Got the other one loaded up. About to head to the paint shop. Quick little update. It's the next day. I got the parts car in the garage. In the next video, you'll actually be seeing me either pull the interior out of this one. So that's seats, back seat, carpet, headliner, everything that's leather or black is getting pulled out of here. Putting off to the side, get the transmission out of here. Engines coming out of here, and then keep any good parts like the fenders or wheels, you know, whatever I really need and maybe need, you know, in the future, I'll take off and keep to the side. And then for the rest, I'll probably scrap this one because this one does have a salvage title and it does have some body damage that I don't want to mess with. Or I might sell it, you know, as a shell or something like that. We'll see. But that was just a quick little update. In the next video, I'll either be painting or pulling the interior out. But yeah.